Vidura College, Buddhism, Grade 1, Poson Full Moon Day. Hello, my dear children. I hope you all are doing good. Do you remember we celebrated Poya during last month? Same as Poya, there is another special Poya for Buddhists. It is Poson Poya Day. So today we are going to learn about Poson Poya Day. Okay children, let's start. Poson Poya is a very special Poya for Buddhists. It comes after Vesak Poya. It falls in the month of June. Children, do you know why this Poya is very important? Buddhism was brought to Sri Lanka on Poson Poya Day. There is a beautiful story related to Poson Poya Day. Do you like to know the story? Long time ago, there was a king named Devanampiyathissa. At that time, he ruled our country, Sri Lanka. This is a picture of King Devanampiyathissa. One day, King Devanampiyathissa was on a deer hunt in the forest. He saw a deer next to Mihintale rock. Children, this is a picture of Mihintale rock. On the same day, Arahant Mahinda Thero traveled to Sri Lanka with 6 other followers. Do you know who are these followers? They are Ittiya Thero, Uttiya Thero, Sambala Thero, Baddasala Thero, Sumana Samanera and Banduka Upasaka. And they went to Mihintale in Anuradhapura at the same time. This is a picture of Arahat Mahinda Thero and 6 other followers. While King Devanampiyathissa was on the deer hunting, Arahant Mahinda Thero saw the king who was chasing a deer. Then Arahant Mahinda Thero called the king Tissa Tissa. The king was surprised to hear someone calling him by his name. The king stopped his hunting and looked up to see who the speaker was. The king saw Arahant Mahinda Thero and 6 other followers on the top of the mountain Mihintale. They had a pleasant conversation. Later, the king threw down his bow and arose and worshipped Arahant Mahinda Thero. Arahant Mahinda Thero preached a Dhamma sermon to the king. After listening to the Dhamma sermon, King Devanapiyatissa became a Buddhist. My dear children, this was the beginning of Buddhism in Sri Lanka. Okay, my children, now you know what is the importance of Poson Poya Day. Let's recall the lesson. Long time ago, there was a king named Devanapiyatissa, and at that time he ruled our country. One day, the king was on a deer hunt next to Mihintale rock. On the same day, Arahant Mahinda Thero and 6 other followers traveled to Sri Lanka at Mihintale in Anuradhapura. Arahant Mahinda Thero called the king who was chasing the deer, and they had a pleasant conversation. Later, the king listened to a Dhamma sermon which was preached by Arahant Mahinda Thero, and after listening to the Dhamma sermon, the king became a Buddhist, and it was the beginning of Buddhism in Sri Lanka. Okay, my dear children, let's do an activity now. Fill in the blanks using the words given in the brackets. Within the brackets, you have the words Arahant Mahinda Thero, Mihintale, Poson, Buddhists, King Devanapiyatissa. Number 1. We celebrate blank Poya in the month of June. Number 2. It is a very special Poya day for blank. Number 3. Blank brought Buddhism to Sri Lanka. Number 4. At that time, our country was ruled by blank. Number 5. They met at blank in Anuradhapura. Okay, now let's check the answers. Number 1. We celebrate Poson Poya in the month of June. Number 2. It is a very special Poya day for Buddhists. Number 3. Arahant Mahinda Thero brought Buddhism to Sri Lanka. Number 4. At that time, our country was ruled by King Devanapiyatissa. Number 5. They met at Mihintale in Anuradhapura. Okay, my children, hope you enjoyed the lesson. Goodbye and stay safe. May this Poson brings peace and happiness to all my children.